Technical indicators are one of the best tools to choose entries and exits, and pivot points are one of the most commonly used and one of the most often asked about. I'm lead trainer with StocksToTrade, Tim Bohen. Today we're going to talk about pivot points and the best way to get started using them. And keep in mind, I'd love for you to subscribe and hit that alert button as well. Ring the bell, because every week we go live on YouTube where we break down the hot stocks from our watch list as well as what we're looking for going into the coming week. Hit that bell and be notified immediately when we go live. So today I'm going to talk about Fibonacci retracements and how to use them to gauge pivot levels. So we're recording this video in 2019. We've had a ton of IPOs, initial public offerings, like Lyft, Zoom, Pinterest. We've got Uber coming up. We've got Airbnb coming up. And these stocks it's very difficult to chart these stocks because, think about it, if a stock just starts trading today or it's been trading for 2 or 3 days, you don't have that overall chart history that we can gauge support and resistance off of. You can't chart resistance or support from a year ago or 5 years ago if the stock wasn't trading 5 years ago. Now, you can also use these indicators for stocks that have been trading for quite some time, but I want to focus for today's video on some recent IPOs. And the chart I'm going to be talking about today is JMIA, a recent IPO. It's been trading as of today for about a week. They're known as the Amazon of Africa. It's been performing pretty well. It opened up, had a couple big moves, has pulled back, then has started to kind of trend back. So what we're going to look at is the Fibonacci retracement. This is one of my favorite pivots, and this is based on the low of the stock, the high of the stock, and then intermediary levels that are based on the golden ratio or the Fibonacci sequence. Remember, we don't need to necessarily get into the nitty-gritty of the math. We're just letting the indicator do the work for us. And you can see that the intermediary level, so the middle Fibonacci retracement level at that 50% retracement point. So again, the low would be 0%, the high would be 100%, and then the middle line would be that 50% ratio based off of the golden ratio, the Fibonacci sequence. And you can see as the stock has spiked all the way up. So this was day 3 of trading, or day 4 actually, when it hit the high of 52. So now, I'm not talking about the past. I'm looking to make a trade in the future and how I can use these pivots to help guide me. So a big pullback after it hit that max level, and the stock has gone into range bound mode. And notice how it's just hovering at that 50% retracement level. Now, the area of interest that I want to focus on, and we'll see. You know, the great thing about YouTube is these videos are here forever, so we'll see if this works out, because I can use these pivots, I can use these indicators to anticipate the future. But bring up the chart of JMIA and let's see what it did. I'm recording this video on 4/24. You can see if it worked. The idea we're looking at is the stock has built that support level pretty much precisely on the 50% retracement level. And you can see it even closed there 2 days ago, opened there a day ago, and then never came anywhere near it today. Then the stock closed at that first retracement level and is getting ready to pierce it. So to me, anytime this stock is above that pivot level, it's a potential buy. You've seen the bottom range, the upper range, the consolidation area, the support area. We look for support and resistance. It's built support. It's getting ready to break resistance. Let's see what happens when this stock breaks that resistance level. Don't overcomplicate your technical indicators, okay? They are guides. They are tools. They're not the code, they're not the gospel, okay? They are guidelines. And one of the great things about using these is they can help you work through this trade. So use the Fibonacci's. They're one of my favorites. I love VWAP, and we've done a lot of videos on VWAP, and I love the Fibonacci retracement tool to guide me, especially through these volatile IPOs. So, try them, experiment with them. Let me know in the comments below. Have you used pivots? Have you used Fibonacci's? Have they worked for you? Have they not worked for you? I'd be curious, especially for follow-up videos, if you use them, if you like them, and whether or not they work for you. Do you believe? Are you a believer in technical indicators, or do you think it's all just a waste of time? So, thanks a lot, everyone. And again, be sure to comment, be sure to like, and be sure to ring that bell for our next video. Thanks for watching our video. Be sure to comment below with any trading related question. We love answering your questions. Also, like and share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe to be notified as soon as our next video hits. And if you're looking to expand your trading knowledge, don't forget to check out all of our other videos, and be sure to click the trial below. Check out StocksToTrade. I think it is one of the best, most rapidly advancing softwares out there. Be sure to check out our trial.